respect.
Everything's regular, baby.
Yes, sir, man.
We got that bike, and I'm gonna be sliding and gliding.
What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are on our way to the East Coast right now. We sliding that thing on our way to the plane, man. So let's see if we can go get a flight. Our flight was supposed to leave tomorrow, but you know, this transporter, he literally drives all day, all night. Damn near can get from one side of the country to the other in about a day. I know it's pretty possible any other time, but with a trailer and stuff, you would think it would be a little bit slower. But without further ado, man, he's just about over there. Well, by the time we get there, he should be about pulling in, or tomorrow morning we should be linking up. Either way, we're on our way to the East, baby. Let's go ahead and get to the port and get up out of here, dog. Alrighty, guys, we have made it to the D. About to go try to find a rental car or something, man. They all booked up, so I think we got to try Turo. But you never know, man. We'll see what's up, man. Let's get this thing going, dog. Alrighty, man, we done got to Detroit, man. Y'all know it's like no rental cars out here at all. Like literally not one rental car out here. I don't know what's up with Detroit. You would think Detroit is like a big enough city to where they have way more than enough rental cars. But we had to get a freaking Turo. Meanwhile, the only like reasonable car they had on there for the right price was like a freaking Tesla. Dude had to charge it up. So now we like an hour, 2 hours behind pickup time. So I'm just waiting for him to charge that joint, I guess, and we'll get on our way. Meanwhile, never been in a Tesla, never drove a Tesla, so this will be a first for all of us here, man. But we'll get it together. So I guess I'll update y'all in a second. All right, man, we got the Tesla, man. Give me the rundown, man. Let's see what we got.
This is the key right here.
Right.
You set the key right here. That's activated. Now, get in real quick. I'm gonna show you.
Okay, let's see what we got.
All right, now, yep. Put your foot on the brake. Now you see them lights light up. That means it's on and shit.
Right.
So this is your shift. You know, your shifter and shit. Your foot on the brake.
Yeah.
So you hit it up. That's the reverse,
okay,
you know what I'm saying? You know, you just notch it a little bit, and you know, that's drive, that's drive right there. Hit it up, neutral, hit it up, reverse, hit it up, reverse. Now, this is park right here. So, you're gonna press this button right here, that's park. So now you see how it's parking? Bam.
Right.
So that's park. Add your stuff, a Bluetooth is right there. You know, just don't delete mine. You can delete all these other motherfuckers.
Yeah, nah, you good.
If you got hotspot, you can do Wi-Fi. You know what I'm saying? You can watch videos and all type of stuff on there. It's the air. You know, you can basically just play with it and stuff. That's all the
just start
stuff.
pushing buttons,
the
man.
locks and all that stuff. Yeah.
So I shouldn't have to charge it, man, or what? 'Cause I'm only going like to Farmington Hills or whatever. That's like 30 miles.
So yeah, it's on 77%. If you want to know what miles it is, you can.
Yeah, man, because I ain't trying to be stuck in Detroit, man.
Yeah, it's cool, bro. Like, and if you do got a charge, just go to a charge and shit. That's on me, man. You don't gotta worry about that. So quick controls. Oh, where it go? Well, yeah, you just gotta play with it and shit. Like, I'm trying to get to where I just had it. I just switched it. Software. Okay, display. So display. See how it's
distance.
Miles. Yeah. So percentage distance. Okay. So yeah, 186.
Okay, bet. Yeah, that's more like
miles.
it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And if you do just look up a charging thing, it's gonna go right to my phone. I mean, it's gonna go right to my card. Don't worry about that. You know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, I'll take care of that for the late.
All right, for sure.
Yeah, you pretty much all set.
All right, man.
Like,
Appreciate it.
you know, this is on me. You know, I did this. I don't know. You know, I'm gonna get that taken care of, so you ain't gotta worry about that.
You got the airbag coming out that motherfucker,
no,
man?
No, ain't no airbag.
Ain't gonna get smacked or what?
Yeah.
For sure, man. Well, shit. You know, it is what it is, man. We here. Never seen that before. That's pretty sick. I just want to make pancakes for everybody just so I can see this come out like that.
It is.
Alright, just so you know, we'll leave in first gear, okay?
Okay.
So it don't roll on you.
All right. Man, unbelievable.
Get some video going.
Unbelievable. Finally made it.
Here she is.
Nice.
Mr. Aston. This is the one that, now where we at?
Farmington Hills.
Farmington Hills, Michigan. Dropping off. Mr. Aston couldn't make it. I told him I'd get some video for him. It's got a nice color on that bike.
Oh, yeah.
And like, you hear what I mean? It wasn't too loud, but it's got
Right.
some nice rumble.
Yep.
But it wasn't going to tick your neighbors off too much.
Right.
He has some nice floodlights over here next to his garage, so we pulled it over here so we get it in the light. But there she is. Our keys are in the saddlebag.
Okay.
All right. And then there's like actual keys in the saddlebag. And then he's out here waking the neighbors up, giving me a heart attack blowing the horn. Oh, he's silent on that thing, man.
Yo, yo, yo. What's up, man? How you doing? Man, nice meeting you, man.
You too, man.
Hey, man. Hey, man, y'all see the winner here live in effect, man. Some things didn't happen, man. I couldn't get to the delivery in time. And then y'all see it's freaking dark as heck outside, man. But my guy came and showed up, pulled up on me quick, man. How you like the bike, man?
Man, I love it, man. It's
Man, I know-
sharp,
I know
even
it.
in the dark.
Yeah, see, I was just about to say, I know it's dark, man. So I heard you rode it already, man.
Yeah, man.
He
We
wasn't
had to go
playing.
around the block.
He said he wasn't playing, y'all. He been waiting all day for that thing, man. I appreciate you supporting, dog. I know it's not the delivery video we wanted, man, but hey, at least you got that thing. You excited. You got to test it out, man. That's all that matters. I appreciate you pulling up on me, man, because as y'all see, I don't know if you know, man, but Detroit and rental cars, man, it's like impossible to get right now. It's like I was in a Tesla earlier and they had me on like limited miles, man. So I didn't really want to drive nowhere in a Tesla and be stuck in Detroit, man. You know, I'm from the West Coast. What we hear about Detroit, you will not want to be stuck out here, man. So
It's not like that.
yeah. Nah, it's all
Especially
good.
where we are now.
Okay, so this is a pretty good area. All right, for sure, man. Well, I appreciate you, man. We here live in effect.
Everything's regular, baby.
Yes, sir, man.
We got that bike, and I'm gonna be sliding and gliding.
Hey, man, you better tell them where we at, man, so they don't think it's fake, man.
What? We in Michigan, baby.
We in
You see the
Michigan.
Motown?
Okay. Hey, man, you better tell them what's up, man. Okay.
That's right.
I can dig it, man. Well, y'all see my guy here, man. He is the winner of our 2020 Road Glide Special, man. So I'm going to drop a couple little videos here so y'all can see. I wasn't there to take delivery, man, but it is what it is. My guy got it, and y'all can see it's real live in the flesh, man. So.
And you called, and I thought you were my son calling because he had just texted me.
Oh, damn.
I texted him back.
Right.
And he ain't text me back. And I was like, and then I saw FaceTime because he
Oh,
always
yeah.
FaceTime
Right.
see my grandson, you know. And I was like, oh, this
Like, man, that ain't my
And I was
grandson,
like-
man. That ain't my son. Who is this?
I was like,
Hey man,
what?
it's the car that you wanted to hear, man. You got that Harley, man. Now
Yes,
you can
sir.
slide. So, what's your bike scene like out here, man?
I ain't been out.
He like, man, I ain't been right. I don't know what it's like,
I
man.
ride on the weekends, but I'm going to functions. You
Oh,
know, I'm in the
okay. So
ballroom
you got a bike
stepping.
already then?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Yamaha.
Yamaha, you did say
Yeah.
that. Okay, bet.
So on the weekends, I come here and I grab my bike. Right now, it's over my son's house.
Oh, okay, yeah. So,
you know,
do
I
he
go
ride
pick it
too?
up. No.
Nah. I was gonna say y'all can ride together, man. You gonna
I
have to
know.
learn. That'd be dope.
Yeah, I told him. I said, man, now it's time to learn.
Yeah,
baby.
nah, for sure, man. You got the one, man.
My
How
nephew ride.
Oh, okay. So then there you go.
Yeah.
So how the Harley feel compared to the Yamaha? I know you only rode it
It's
for a
smooth.
quick second, but
Yeah.
you know how it feel.
I gotta feel it though on the
Right,
street.
right. Yeah,
Feel
yeah.
that power on
Yeah,
it,
yeah.
'cause I ain't want to be loud and wake up the neighbors.
Right,
'cause
yeah.
We on the circle,
Oh, okay. I
so
see what you're
everybody
saying.
know everybody.
Right. They ain't like, yeah, it was him over there. Ride him up, whatever the case. Yeah, nah, for sure.
And you know we in a little
Right, pretty cool neighborhood. Okay, yeah.
neighborhood, So you know, and my neighbor next door, I didn't know that horn was that loud. I said, I scared your man.
Oh, damn. Hey, that's funny. Hey, he actually did mention that too. He was like, man, I had to show him the controls. He was honking a horn and some more stuff. Yeah, no, that's funny, dog. That's funny. I'm glad you got it, though, man. It actually came sooner than I expected. Like, I didn't think it was going to go out this soon, but hey, you lucked up, man. Some other people had to wait a little longer, man. You lucked up, so.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, but I like that brown thing, man, so please enjoy it for me, man.
I will.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Everybody call me Vinny, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man.
You too, brother.
So, alrighty, guys, we just linked up with the winner. Y'all see what it would look like outside. The shipper got here at like 12 o'clock at midnight, man. Nothing we can do about it. And the street that the winner lived on was literally super dark. No street lights, no nothing. So me going over there trying to record with this was not working, because y'all see how I'm trying to turn on the lights now to get some light in here, man. So just wasn't gonna work, but we did get a couple of clips from when my shipper did pull up, man. Meanwhile, man, y'all know I'm in Detroit, man. So you would think that since this is the city that make cars and stuff, they would have a whole lot more rental cars and all that good stuff. Literally no rental cars at the regular rental car places. I had to go on Turo. The cheapest thing on Turo was a freaking Tesla. Of course it's a Tesla. It's no gas. So once you run out that energy, it's a wrap. And between me and you, I don't want to be in Detroit in a freaking Tesla and run out on energy. I'm just not trying to be on the east side of Detroit doing that, man. But didn't really get to use the Tesla, so we kind of rented it for nothing just because our shipper did get here later than expected. I mean, what can you do, man? Life happens, stuff happens, but you got to learn to tackle it and move on. Meanwhile, our dog Vinny got that 2020 Road Glide special, man. He pulled up on us, got a quick little 1-2, man, so y'all get to see him. He gonna send us some videos and stuff in the daytime tomorrow when he hop on that joint, man. So I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in. I want to thank my dog Vinny for supporting your boy, man, because it could be you next, we could be at Chodo next, delivering a bike to your city, man. So if you guys haven't entered the giveaway, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now, cop you a red and black Everything's Regular wallet, and you'll be entered for my 2021 Road Glide special giveaway along with my CVO, first place and second place. But yeah, man, the bike is dropped and we are getting ready to head out of here in the morning, head into Connecticut. Hopefully we can get there in the daytime. We'll see. I know we definitely got to rent a car because I didn't pre-booked it this time. I wasn't playing that game again. So we'll see what happens, man, and I'll catch y'all guys in the morning.